Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you doing today? Hope you all are doing well by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also doing well by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to take the class of Islamic Studies for class 8. And today our topic is oral sheet practicing. Lecture number 28, and there is no HW. My beloved students, we will practice the oral sheet which is related to your annual term syllabus. And as you know, annual term is related to the chapter 4 and 5. So all of the questions of oral sheet you will get from chapter 4 and 5. So let's start. First question is, what is the meaning of the word akhlaq? Answer, the meaning of the word akhlaq is character or behavior. Now question number 2, what teaching has been taught by all the prophets? Answer, all the prophets have taught the supreme values of good character. Now question number 3, what is the singular form of akhlaq? Answer, the singular form of akhlaq is khulukun. So akhlaq is the plural form and khulukun is the singular form. Keep remember this. Sometimes in the exam come this type of questions. Now question number 4, what is worse than murder? Tumult and oppression are worse than murder. Now question number 5, what is envy? Answer, envy implies to feel jealous of others' property and fortune. Now 6 number, whose ornament is pride? Answer is, pride is Allah's ornament. Now question number 7, who was attacked with fatal disease? Answer, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam was attacked with fatal disease. My beloved students, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam was a prophet, and this discussion is related to the patience, because after became a fatal disease, he didn't impatience, he didn't lost his patience. He was full depends to the Almighty Allah. He was full belief to the Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah will cure him. Now question number 8, who was the incarnate symbol of patience? Answer is, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was the incarnate symbol of patience, because Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, when Namrud threw Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam into the pit fire, then at that time Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was totally cool, totally patient, and he had full deepest strong faith to the Almighty Allah. And this one is also related to the lesson of patience. Now question number 9, what are called social service? Answer, all work undertaken voluntarily by way of helping the deprived of the society are called social service. Now number 10, whose rights are in the richest property and wealth? Answer is, the rights of the needy and deprived are on property and wealth of the rich. Now question number 11, for which crime is the law of punishment to cut off hand? That is, for stealing or theft, there is the law of punishment to cut off hand. Now 12 number question, what is meant by the word bribe? Answer, bribe means illegally giving or taking some money or something valuable from others, that is called bribe. And you know, bribe is totally haram. This is the biggest sin, Kabira Guna. Now question number 13, what is Islamic brotherhood? Answer is, the mutual and cordial relationship among the Muslims is called Islamic Brotherhood. Now question number 14, how many aspects of patience are demonstrated in hadith? Answer, 3 special aspects of patience are demonstrated in hadith. Now 15 number, what is ideal? Answer, instruction and restrictions which could be followed is called ideal. It means who will be your ideal, you will follow only his good activities, and which is not good for you, you will not follow that. It's not the ideal. I mean, whoever you will be your ideal, whatever he or she is saying for doing or for not doing, you have to follow that. Then you will be the pure ideal person. Now question number 16, who instructed to compile the hadith officially? Answer, Hazrat Umar ibn Abdul Aziz radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Already we discussed the biography of Hazrat Umar ibn Abdul Aziz, and he started the compiling the hadith officially. Now question number 17, what is the meaning of muttaqi? Answer, muttaqi means ideologist. Those are ideologists, they are called muttaqi. Now 18 number, in which year of BC was Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam born? Answer, approximately Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam was born between 970 to 975 BC. Approximately means near about, not exact. Now 19 number, whose substitute was Sulaiman alayhi salam made as prophet? Answer, Sulaiman alayhi salam was made Dawood's substitute as prophet. Now question number 20, who did complete the rebuilding work of Baitul Muqaddas? That is, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam completed the rebuilding work of Baitul Muqaddas. Students, you know, Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam started the building of Baitul Muqaddas, but after few years Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam died, and then Sulaiman, and when he was dying, he prayed to Almighty Allah for completing the Baitul Muqaddas by his Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. That's why Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam completed the Baitul Muqaddas mosque. Now question number 21, where was Musa alayhi salam bestowed with prophethood? Answer, Musa alayhi salam was bestowed with prophethood in the valley named Tuwa. Now 22 number, since the year of whose birth was the Christian era introduced? Answer, the Christian era was introduced since the year of Isa alayhi salam's birth. Now 23 number, how many years will Isa alayhi salam reign in the world? Answer is, Isa alayhi salam will reign for 40 years in the world. Now 24 number, what is the meaning of the word Fathum Mubin? Answer, the meaning of the word Fathum Mubin is remarkable victory, and this word is related to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. And you know, there is a deal between Muslim and the people of Makkah, and that deal is called the Fathum Mubin, which is related to the Hudaybiyah treaty. And Fathum Mubin means remarkable victory or clear victory or distinct victory. And Almighty Allah said in the Holy Quran in Surah Fath, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna fatahna laka fatham mubina. There is the word Fatham Mubina. Now last number 25, who was the leader of the Quraysh in the battle of Uhud? Answer, Abu Sufyan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was the leader of the Quraysh in the battle of Uhud. That's all for today, my dear students of oral sheet, and this is the lecture number 22, and there is no HW. So I hope you understood my discussion. Keep practicing at home, mainly the oral sheet, and you know there is 30 marks for oral sheet. So to abide by your parents, to perform the salat 5 times, and stay safe. See you soon inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.